Welcome back, Crammers. Question 17. Negative 8 is less than 2y, which is less than equal to 2. Y is an integer. Find all the possible values of y. Firstly, we have to isolate y, so that means we divide by 2 on all the sides. So negative 8 divided by 2 is 4. Keep the same inequality. 2y divided by 2 cancels out, and we have y, which is less than equal to 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Now write down all the possible values. Now, y cannot equal negative 4. It has to be the next value after that. So we write negative 3, then negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. The reason we write 1 is because y is less than or equal to 1. Write down inequality shown on the number line. So we can see here that it's moving from negative to positive. So that must mean greater than. It is not circled in. So what does that mean? If it's circled in, it has this equal sign below it. Now, it's going from negative 1 all the way after 5. You can see this arrow. So that means it goes on infinitely. Infinitely. So that means here, x is greater than negative 1. X is greater than negative 1 because it goes on infinitely. There is no end. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.